Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and today I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the online banking service of Truist Bank. But before that, here's a short description about the bank. Truist Bank, or Branch Banking and Trust Company, operates as a bank. The bank offers saving and current account, investment and financial services, online banking, mortgage and non-mortgage loan facilities, as well as issues credit cards and business loans. So if you want to find out how you can log into the online banking service of Truist Bank, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.truist.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Truist Bank. Now at the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option, Sign In. Click on it. After that, you'll be asked for your user ID and password. Enter the details, and if you want your device to remember your user ID, then check on this box right here, but don't tick it if you are using a public or shared device. Once you have entered the details, click on Sign In, and there you go. You'll be logged into the online banking service of Truist Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.